Two super infectious Omicron strains have become the dominant COVID-19 variants sweeping the U.S. California is now seeing one of its most significant surges since the start of the pandemic. And a growing concern is the number of people getting reinfected with the virus. Danya Bacchus has more about why those repeat infections are so troubling.
COVID-19 is surging in San Francisco's Bay Area, where Lois Tucker refuses to lower her guard, especially after seeing her brother suffer with long COVID.
The thing that bothers him the most is his legs and his feet, just like a tingling, numb, strange feeling in his feet.
As highly contagious Omicron subvariants sweep the country, more Americans are reporting second infections. That includes here in Los Angeles, where July 4th celebrations may have fueled the COVID case rate to its highest point in nearly 5 months. And while symptoms are often mild, a new study tracked nearly 40,000 people who had COVID at least twice and found each reinfection creates a new opportunity for serious health risks.
Some people, when they get infected the first time, that infection may weaken their immune system in a way or produce some organ damage that make them more vulnerable to having adverse consequences or adverse health risks.
Dr. Ziad Al-Ali led the research, which found patients with 2 or more infections had more than twice the risk of dying compared to patients with just 1 infection. They had 3 times the risk of being hospitalized and faced higher odds of getting long COVID.
If you've had a first infection and you manage to dodge long COVID, having a second infection, you're literally rolling the dice again.
Actor Hugh Jackman and Health Secretary Xavier Becerra both reported second infections last month. Mississippi Senator Roger Wicker has had it 3 times. A reality check that the pandemic is different now, but it's not over. Danya Bacchus, CBS News, Los Angeles.
Doctors say the best weapons are still the COVID-19 vaccines and boosters, and the FDA has asked manufacturers to design a booster for the fall that targets the newest Omicron variants. Still ahead at noon, mac and cheese made on a cookie sheet? Sounds crazy, but it might just be your new favorite comfort food.